Hello guys, welcome back. Here's your boy Yuri from Gold Sniper Signals, and today I'm going to show you a very effective way to scalp the markets with just two indicators. And the good thing is this indicator are free and works pretty well in any currency pair. So for this example, I'm gonna demonstrate you this strategy on the currency pair British pounds against US dollar, as you can see here. And we switch over to the 15 minutes time frame. For the strategy, we use this time frame because it has a high win rate on this time frame. And for the strategy, we always identify where is the current trend. Either it's an uptrend or in a downtrend, and when this currency is in a downtrend we go short, and when this currency is in an uptrend we go long. And to trade the strategy we need the indicator, the SMA indicator. So you go here on the indicator tab and type in SMA and click this and then put that on the chart. Then you go to your settings and put input length to 25 and style, for example, yellow or other colors what you want, and then okay. The next indicator what we need, and that's very essential for the strategy, it's the Lux Algo MACD based price forecasting. This is basically an indicator who will forecast our price in which direction it will break out and give us an indication where to place our trade. Therefore, you go here in the indicator tab and type in MACD based price forecast and click that and put that on the chart. And here we go. So how I trade this, it's very simple and easy to follow. The strategy is that anytime when we are below under this 25 SMA we are looking for shorts. Anytime we are above this SMA and in a clear uptrend we always go for buys. And now as you can see I placed here an order on this currency pair, so we are under this 25 SMA, and you can see the forecast tool, this forecast MACD is predicting that the price will go downwards. So that's why I placed here a sell order. I put here the stop loss a little bit above the last swing high, and I target this forecast here, for example, this peak of the forecast, and go on average for a 1-to-1 or a 1.5R. So let's see if it plays out. As you can see, it immediately smashed my take profit. And this is how this strategy works. Let's go to the next example. Let's make a stop. Okay, as you can see we are here currently below the 25 SMA, and that's an indication we are still in a downtrend, and the forecast is telling us we going one stage downstairs. So that means this pair will move another towards to the downside, and it's predicting that the price will go down, and that's why I placed here my sell order, put the stop loss here above of this last swing highs, and target around about 1.5 RR or this peak, for example, or this higher peak to my take profit. And let's see how it plays out. And boom, it smashed my take profit. Easy and simple strategy. Now we wait until for the next example and how it plays out. Okay, now we are already, okay, it had already my take profit, but now as you can see we are here already in the downtrend. We are below this 25 SMA. The forecast was another that the price will go another step downwards. That's why I go for a short. So this strategy, before you backtest this strategy, I just want to let you know, do not trade the strategy when you are in this phase. For example, when you are in a consolidation phase, this strategy will basically not work because there's absolutely no value. That's why trade only the currency, for example GBP USD, only in the London session or in the New York session. In the Asian session, this strategy will not work because there's absolutely no volume, and that's why you have a less win rate and the strategy will not play out. But I tested the strategy and I had around about 80 to 85% win rate. The reason why behind that, it's also a scalping, and when you scalp, your win rate is very high. I suggest that you risk around about 1 to 2% per trade, and then always wait until the until the signals are clear, that you can enter a trade, that this forecast appears from the MACD based price forecasting and you are below this 25 SMA. And this is the strategy. You can use any currency pair that you want and go for it. Okay guys, I hope you like and enjoy this video, and if so, hit that thumb up, subscribe to my channel, and we see us in the next one. And if you're interested in Forex signals, I highly recommend you should check out my gold and Bitcoin sniper room, where you can basically copy and paste my trades and we make some money together. And if you want to check it out, there's a link under this video, and there's also a free Telegram group where you can get some free trades from time to time. You can check them out under my video. There are links to these offers if you want so. And thank you guys for watching. We see us in the next one, and I wish you happy profits.